Welcome to Fashion Fairy. Subscribe to receive more of these interesting videos from Fashion Fairy. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Fairy, and in today's video we'll be seeing about how to style your trendy kurtis. So let's get into this video. So friends, you can try going on with bright colors for your kurtis, or you can even try going on with pastel colors as they give your kurti a royal look. You can try going on with ikat designs, peacock and elephant designs, or floral designs too. So friends, if your kurti is plain, then you can try going on with the work dupatta with unique borders, or you can even try going on with the vice versa. So friends, you can try going on with sleeves at ankles and play until elbow, full shoulder and half shoulder, or sleeveless to your kurtis too. So friends, you can try going on with simple pearl necklace and long earrings for your kurtis as they give you an elegant look. So friends, if you like this video, remember to subscribe to Fashion Fairy, and remember to check the links below in the description box so you can purchase best of these trendy kurtis which you've seen in this video. So bye friends.